I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I'm a little hype. I'm trying to calm down. Night 1 of WrestleMania 37 just finished a little while ago, and it was awesome. Man, it felt good to see the event happen and there be fans in the arena and there's live reactions. It's great. It was a great event. But we're here for sneakers. I just filmed the heel turn on my channel, so that should be available for you all to check out by the time you see this video. So we did a special heel turn episode on the channel. But we're here to talk sneakers. And I told you in the last video that while I did get those Air Max clots, that wasn't the shoe of that particular day that I was going for. That wasn't my number one priority for that day. My number one priority for that day was this shoe. Boom. And I know I'm behind. I know you've probably seen videos of this already. But it was this shoe. Alright? This was my priority. I had to have this shoe. This model is one of my all-time top 5 Jordan silhouettes. Jordan retro silhouettes. This shoe, this silhouette means a lot to me as far as Jordan's is concerned. So I had to get this one. However, there was one that released today, same silhouette, that I didn't necessarily have to have. I kind of like it, but I didn't necessarily have to have. And I want it, so you'll see a review of it, but it's not mine. I'm not keeping it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this one. These are the Air Jordan 5 Retro. Colorway is white, hyper, royal, and stealth. Size 14, of course, on these. Alright. Now, no more delay. Let's go ahead and get into it. But of course, you all know how I do it. Right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Woo! Very dope. Very dope. Left shoe first, baby. Woo! Yes. Yes, sir. The Jordan 5 Stealth, boys. Woo! Yes, I did get these. Yes, I did get these from the sneakers app. Retail price. I won on sneakers. Alright. So I just didn't rush and put the review out, man. But I did get these from the sneakers app. Let's go ahead and get into these. They come with, I guess that's like some cardboard to protect the tongue. There's cardboard right there to protect the tongue. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, boom. Remove that cardboard that's in there. And there is the tongue there. That looks like a silver metallic tongue with the royal Jumpman. Y'all know that white and royal or that black and royal. Those are my favorite colors. Alright, what do they actually call this? What do they actually call this blue? Hyper Royal. Royal nonetheless is my favorite colorway on sneakers. So that white and royal, black and royal does it for me. on the tongue or on the lace lock there. Royal lace lock with that white Jumpman on that. You all probably can't see that, but that's what it is there. All right, let's loosen it up a little bit. Open him up. And then take that shoe tree up out of there. On the back, of course, upside down Air Jordan. Upside down Air Jordan on the back of the tongue there. And then on the inside, as you can see, blue insole with the white Jumpman right there. All right. Let me see what the paper. Oh, ain't very much. Little tiny paper. Why would you even put this paper in there? Little tiny paper. Let's put that over there. All right. Now, if you look at it, let's get closer. The light is probably knocking some of it out that you won't be able to tell. But look at the leather on here. Look at the tumbled leather going all around this shoe. Let's get a close look. Look at that tumbled leather going all around. The leather, to me, it feels so good that it's already creasing. I haven't even put the shoe on. I literally just grabbed it out the box. Look at the creasing right here. To me, that is a sign of good, soft leather. And in that toe box area right here, that's the softest part of it. It is soft. Dare I say, this part, the toe box area, this white leather right here, dare I say, it is Jordan 1 leather soft. That is some soft leather right there. That is Jordan 1 softness right there. It's already, at least on my pair, look at that. It's already creasing. Out the box, it's creasing. Imagine on feet. I like creasing. I like when there's a little crease. I like, it shows you wear your shoes. But I haven't even put these on. I haven't even put them on and it's doing that. So that's good soft leather right there. And then up here, I feel like you can't have the softest of leather in the back here. So it's that tumbled, but it's a little bit harder, a little rougher there. But man, it's dope. You got your royal, my bad, you got your black Jumpman on the back here. Alright, the back of the tongue is black too, by the way. It's not royal. Clear netting with the white behind it. Alright, on both sides. And then on the bottom, icy outsole. You got that royal going around the top there. Royal Jumpman. Black Jordan there on the middle. And then the iciness. Alright. The midsole is that gray. That metallic. Kind of like the tongue. So it kind of matches that. And then on the shark teeth, it's a splatter of blue on the shark teeth there. That black shark tooth. Same on the outside. You got your shark teeth here. And you got that splatter of blue. White eyelets for the laces. Alright. Very dope shoe. Now what I wanted to do when I got these shoes and I looked at them, I said to myself, these remind me of a few pairs that I have. So the first pair that I thought that it reminded me of was this one. This is the white metallic Jordan 5. Alright, you see that 23. The white metallics. Alright. Kind of, you remove that royal. You remove the royal hits. This is very similar. Very similar. Inside there is all white. Instead of any black or blue, but very similar, just on like first look. All right, this just has that royal, but this is one of the shoes, and of course you see that 2-3. You see it. You see it. 23 on the back right there. All right, but this is one of the first ones. The netting is the same. The leather quality, the build of the shoe looks really, really good. It's very similar to this one. All right, put that one to the side. The next one that I thought, and mainly the main one here, this is a size 15. You see that? That's a size 15. The next one that I thought that this shoe reminded me of was these, the Laney 5s. All right, the original Laney 5s, not the remastered or the reverse or the alternate ones. I don't have those anymore. Sneaker regret. If I do another sneaker regret video, it's gonna be that I sent those alternate Laney 5s back. Man, dumb decision. I regret that. I want those shoes again. But similarities here to me. White and blue. I do like this, man. I like that we have the blue midsole here. We got the blue tongue there. The inside is black, yellow behind the tongue. The yellow Jumpman. And then you see that 2-3 again. My boy Coop DeVille, also known as King of Socks on Instagram, he sent me some Captain Crunch socks that go hard with these. I'm gonna have to bring those out, but they are yellow and blue and they're perfect for this shoe. Perfect. But when looking at these, man, I just thought that they kind of looked the same. Look at that. Look at that. Clear on the bottom with the Royal Jumpman. Clear on the bottom, Royal Jumpman. Black in the middle, black in the middle. It's just up here, you got that Royal. And there you got the black up there. All right. Black Jumpman on the back. Black Jumpman on the back. All right. Just a few pairs that I thought that this particular release reminded me of, man. So I just wanted to bring you all a quick video, let you all know that I do have these in-house. And you know what? That's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. New SmackDown Women's Champion Bianca Belair, baby. The EST. Congratulations to Bianca. Hell of a match. Hell of a match. I'm still pumped. Holla at y'all in the next one. Peace.